Hello. I am capital letter G.
Hi, letter G. Nice to meet you.
Hello. I am small letter D.
Hi, small letter G. Nice to meet you, too. Who are you?
I am gorgeous letter G. That's who I am. G, G, G. Let's say G. We are gorgeous G's. Come learn with us today.
Come on, kids. Let's try. G, G, G. Let's clap our hands to letter G.
G, G, G. Let's clap our hands to letter G.
Who are you?
I am George, the gorgeous giraffe. I live in the savannah, in Africa.
What is this?
G is for goose, by the lake, so blue, waddling, round and honking honk honk, too.
What is this?
G is for gorilla, big and strong, beating his chest and singing a song.
What is this?
G is for gun, used with care. Tools are for safety. Be aware.
What is this?
G is for guitar. Strum it slow. Play a happy tune. Go, go, go.
What is this?
G is for goat. On a hill, so high, jumping and climbing up to the sky.
What is this?
G is for grape. In a bunch, so sweet. Pop one in your mouth. What a treat. The great G, gathering. A great green grasshopper sat playing a gigantic guitar at the Golden Gate with goose, goat, and giraffe who had traveled from afar. All of a sudden, gorilla appeared, a gruesome gun in his hand with a glower on his face, but he wasn't a fellow who needed be feared. He gazed upon the grapes in a nice vase, grumbling, I want the gorgeous treat, purple and sweet, growing from the land and so glorious and grand. The grasshopper, grin, bro, he said, with a gun. You can't have, son. The gorilla dropped his gun, and soon he joined in all the fun.
What letter did you learn today?
We learned letter G today. Goose, goat, and gun. Hooray! See you next time. Don't be late. For letter M, it will be great. Learning letters is a fun game.